Hi everyone. In this session, we're going to discuss a topic in the course Aircraft Systems and General Maintenance Practice. Myself, Manoj Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Aeronautical Engineering from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. In this course, we're going to discuss the topic brake system. Means brake system is an important system in aircraft because brakes are responsible for converting the conversion of kinetic energy to thermal energy by increasing the friction. That means the friction in the tires. Once the aircraft touch down the runway, brake system plays a major role in reducing the speed of the aircraft. Okay, by increasing the amount of friction. Okay, that means in the moving aircraft we reduce the motion of the aircraft. The picture shows the aircraft disc brake. Okay, the conventional common aircraft disc brake. If you see here means, okay, usually the brake system operates based by either by a hydraulic or pneumatic system. If you see here means, okay, here we have the fluid. Okay, that means if it's an powered by hydraulic system means it may be oil. If it's powered by pneumatic system means air. Okay, if we apply effort means this fluid press this cylinder. That means this is the disc. Okay, that means it is attached to hub, and here wheels may be attached. If you see here means it's a caliper and piston. If you apply the brake means, which that means either a hydraulic or pneumatic system power the fluid, okay, which in turn press this piston, okay, which in turn stop this brake pads. That means this brake pad apply pressure on the disc which stops the tire. Normally in aircraft we have three types of brake. One is pneumatic brake, hydraulic brake, mechanical brake. Pneumatic brake means nothing but it's powered by aircraft pneumatic system. That means brake will be operated by aircraft pneumatic system. Hydraulic brake means, that means braking system will be powered by hydraulic system. Mechanical brake means nothing but where we use brakes like a conventional two-wheeler and four-wheeler, like using a string arrangement or a push rod arrangement. If you see this picture, this is the image for an common aircraft brake system. Okay, if you go select one aircraft means either where both the pilot and co-pilot will have the braking system, except a few aircrafts. For example, fighter aircraft and bomber aircraft don't have this configuration. Other than that, all other aircraft have this configuration. If you see here means, if it's a pilot means the power, that means the hydraulic line goes to co-pilot and it which instant go to the tire, that means left tire, which in here if you see this one means the right wheel. For right wheel here it goes through co-pilot and it goes through main right wheel. That means the power effort by the pilot or co-pilot, if anyone operate it means by it power the hydraulic system and it, which will stop the tire. Okay, and the types and construction of aircraft brakes. Okay, based upon the construction and how it looks like, it's classified into few types. The first one is single disc brake system. That means the first one we saw in the picture. Second one is floating disc brakes, where we don't have that caliber we saw in the first image. Third one is fixed disc brake. That means disc will be fixed to the frames. The next one is dual disc brake, where we will have two discs. The next one, multi-disc brake. If we have more than two disc brakes, it's called as multi-disc brakes. And next one, segment disc brakes. That means instead of having a full disc, we will have a partial segments. That's segment rotor disc brakes. Next one, carbon brakes, where we have used carbon there. And then expanded tube brakes, that means where the tube expands and effort some force on the wheel. Okay, by that we stop the vehicle. Okay. Okay, thank you, students.